Hi, and welcome to In the Can. And today I'm going to make some thumbprint cookies. Got Christmas coming up soon, so in the bowl here I have a cup of butter, and to that I'm going to add two-thirds of a cup of sugar. And now I'm going to use my mixer and I'm going to whip this together. And I'm going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. And to this, I'm going to add one and a half teaspoons of almond extract. It's important that you use almond extract. Do not use vanilla. The almond extract is what gives the cookie some flavor. And I'm going to add, I've got 2 cups of flour here. I'm going to add about half of it. And going to stop for a second. I want to preheat my oven. To 350. Add in the rest of the flour. Once again, scrape down the bowl. This off the table. And now I'm going to get my cookie sheet out. I'm going to line it with a piece of parchment paper. Hi, I'm back. I have my baking sheet. I got a piece of parchment paper on it. And now I'm going to make some cookies. Take a little bit of the dough, roll it into a ball, place it on the baking sheet, press my thumb into it. And here I have some fig preserves. These might be a little hard to come by, but it's one of many, many, many jams you can use to make this cookie. Take a little, put it in the middle, and I'm going to fill up my cookie sheet, and I'll be back. Okay, I've got my cookies all filled and set out about 2.5 to 3 inches apart. I'm going to stick them in my preheated oven and bake them for roughly 15 minutes. And I'll be back when they're done. Okay, I'm back with the first of the fig jam cookies, or fig preserve cookies. Let's give one a try. Nice soft cookie, slight almond flavor, and the fig jam pairs up really nice with it. So hopefully you'll give this a try. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.